Hello, my wonderful English learners. Welcome back to your English speaking practice. Today's lesson is a little different because I want to speak directly to you. Recently, many learners joined our English speaking challenge. You listened, repeated, practiced, and shared your progress with us. Reading your comments was truly encouraging. So first, thank you. Thank you for practicing, even when speaking felt difficult. Thank you for returning, even when you made mistakes. And thank you for being part of this learning community. Because of your support, we are preparing more speaking lessons for you. But before we create them, we want to understand what you need most. So today, I have 3 simple questions. Please answer them in the comments using simple English. Question 1. What is your current English level? Are you a beginner who understands only basic words and sentences? Are you an intermediate learner who could understand English but still feels nervous while speaking? Or are you an advanced learner who wants to sound more natural and confident? Your level is important because every learner needs different practice. Beginners may need slow speech, short sentences, and easy vocabulary. Intermediate learners may need more real conversations and daily speaking practice. Advanced learners may want longer discussions, pronunciation practice, and natural expressions. Question 2. What kind of practice helps you more? Do you enjoy listening to simple podcast conversations? Or do you prefer active speaking lessons where you repeat, shadow, and speak out loud? Listening improves your understanding. Speaking improves your confidence and fluency. Both are important, but tell us which one you need more right now. Question 3. Which topics would you like to practice? Maybe you need English for job interviews. Maybe you want English for work, travel, restaurants, shopping, or daily conversations. Perhaps you want to learn how to introduce yourself, talk about your family, describe your routine, or speak confidently with strangers. Write your answer below. Do not worry about grammar. Do not wait for the perfect sentence. A short answer is enough. This is a safe place to practice, improve, and grow. Now let us do a short shadowing practice together. Listen carefully, then repeat each sentence out loud. I am proud of myself for practicing English today. I am proud of myself for practicing English today. Good. Every sentence I speak makes me stronger. Every sentence I speak makes me stronger. Excellent. I do not need perfect English to communicate. I do not need perfect English to communicate. Very good. Mistakes are a normal part of learning. Mistakes are a normal part of learning. Great job. My voice becomes clearer with daily practice. My voice becomes clearer with daily practice. Wonderful. I am learning to speak without fear. I am learning to speak without fear. Keep going. I trust myself when I speak English. I trust myself when I speak English. Amazing. I am building fluency one sentence at a time. I am building fluency one sentence at a time. Brilliant. Now, let us say 3 sentences together without stopping. I am improving every day. I am becoming more confident. I will keep speaking English. Again, I am improving every day. I am becoming more confident. I will keep speaking English. Wonderful work. You have just practiced speaking, pronunciation, confidence and rhythm. That may feel like a small step, but small steps create real progress. Many learners believe they need 1 hour every day to improve their English. That is not true. 5 focused minutes can be powerful when you practice consistently. The important word here is consistently. Consistently means doing something regularly, not only once. For example, I practice English consistently, even when I am busy. You do not need to study everything in one day. You only need to return tomorrow. Practice again. Before we finish, remember the 3 questions. What is your English level? Do you want more listening practice or more speaking practice? And which topic should we cover next? Write your answers in simple English. Your comments will help us create lessons that are practical, useful, and enjoyable for you. And please remember this: your progress is not always loud. Sometimes progress is one new word. Sometimes it is one clear sentence. Sometimes it is speaking even when you feel nervous. Every time you use your voice, you move forward. So keep listening, keep repeating, keep speaking, and most importantly, keep believing that your English can improve. Thank you for practicing with me today. I will see you in the next lesson for more simple English and more speaking practice.